Okay, what do we have today?
If you're like me, you're always dealing with evolving design requirements. Managers like to call this being dynamic. To help you with these dynamic managers, TE Connectivity offers the dynamic series of cable-to-board, cable-to-panel, and cable-to-cable connectors, ranging from low-level signals to high-power connectivity, all based on a set of diverse, robust housing and high-quality box contacts. The contacts are standardized to reduce the amount of application tooling and have a large contact area and 3 points of contact to reduce maintenance caused by contact failures. The long contacts and housing retention legs provide high resistance to vibration in industrial equipment, and the housings offer various keying options and an audible click to help ensure proper mating during assembly and maintenance. Housing options are diverse, including different series and options to address requirements such as voltage and current, pin count, durability, and form factor, with combinations available for nearly any requirement.